Assalamu alaikum, welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share mock test and for municipal and town officer. This test is prepared by Shafik Soomro and all the credit goes to Shafik Soomro. His number is mentioned in the video. You may join his WhatsApp group for daily current affairs and mock tests. This test is of 50 questions and 100 marks and zero point 0.5 negative marking. Question number 1. Choose synonym for differ and the right option is B. Postpone. Question number 2. The motto of UNO is A. It's your world. Question number 3. Pakistan's national anthem is written in which book of Hafiz Jalandhari? And the right option is C. Chirag-e-Seher. Question number 4. The World Bank has announced an amount of dash to in climate region action investment 2021-2025. And the right option is A. $20 billion. Question number 5. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom phrase to catch a turtle. And the right option is B. To catch a dangers. Question number 6. 2023 Cricket World Cup will be hosted by B. India. Question number 7. Whose autobiography is My Life? And the right option is D. Bill Clinton. Question number 8. Headquarters of NATO is in D. Brussels. Question number 9. Who said belt is stronger than the bullet? Right option is D. Nelson Mandela. Question number 10. How many European Union members don't use euro as currency? And the right option is B. 9. Question number 11. Choose the synonym for recuperate. And the right option is B. Recover. Question number 12. Choose the appropriate preposition for I am glad dash your success. And the right option is C. I am glad for your success. Question number 13. Where was the first Asia Cup held? And the right option is A. UAE. Question number 14. Who became the first non-Muslim woman elected to Pakistan's Senate? And the right option is A. Krishna Kumari. The credit of this test goes to Shafik Soomro. You may join his WhatsApp group. Question number 15. Between which of the following was the ancient town of Takshila? And the right option is A. Indus and Jhelum. Question number 16. Choose antonyms for prosperous. And the right option is B. Impecunious. Question number 17. Scientific Bureau of Economic Cooperation Organization is situated in C. Pakistan. Which city name of Pakistan means the forest in the sky? And the right option is C. Shugran. Question number 19. Former Pope Benedict XVI has died at his Vatican residence on December 31st, 2022. Right option is D. Question number 20. A group of fish is called school. Question number 21. Old name of Dhaka is Jahangir Nagar. Question number 22. The basic numbers of alphabets in Urdu language is 39. Question number 23. The currency of Indonesia is Rupiah. Question number 24. Turgutris 7 is a bilateral naval exercise between Pakistan and Turkey. B is also correct. Turkey and Pakistan. Question number 25. Netanyahu sworn in as Israel's PM on 29 December 2022 for his dash term. And the right option is sixth term. Choose antonym for hounds. And the right option is B, repels. Question number 27. Who called Mahatma Gandhi a half-naked fakir? And the right option is Churchill. B. Question number 28. Turkish, Syrian, Russian defense minister met in Moscow on dash the first such talks since a war broke out in Syria. And the right option is D. 28 December 2022. Question number 29. OIC has how many official languages? And the right option is 3. Question number 30. China received first foreign COVID-19 vaccine for the first time from Germany. Question number 31. Which airline used by Pakistan at the time of partition to transfer important government? And the right option is C. Tata Airways. Question number 32. Which space agency sends first water survey mission into orbit? And the right option is SPSC. Question number 33. NATO was signed in, and the right option is D. 1949. Question number 34. Who invented the polio vaccine oral? And the right option is D. Albert Sabin. Question number 35. Which country will host 2026 Olympics? And the right option is C. Manila, Italy. The credit of this test goes to Shafik Soomro. Question number 36. When the name of Lalpur was changed to Faisalabad? And the right option is A. September 1, 1977. Question number 37. Who is founder of modern chemistry? And the right option is A. Antonio Laurent Lavoisier. Question number 38. Which word is picked by Merriam-Webster Dictionary as word of the year 2022? And the right option is C. Gas lighting. Question number 39. For economics category, a first Nobel Prize was given in 1969. Question number 40. Who is the author of the book Jinnah and Mistress Jinnah? And the right option is Sheila Reddy. Question number 41. Dialysis is used for the people with defective kidneys. It involves the process of osmosis. Right option is B. Osmosis. Question number 42. Chemically soap is dash. C. Right option is C. Salt. Question number 43. China unveils world's first artificial intelligence male news anchor. B. Koi Hao. Question number 44. Fog is an example of solid in gas. Question number 45. Which country is the most of Asia and Pacific regional meeting of International Labour Organization? And the right option is D. Singapore. Question number 46. Which country people will celebrate their first Independence Day on the Pakistan Independence Day? And the right option is Nagaland. Question number 47. Choose synonym for peltry. And the right option is insignificant. Question number 48. Parkinson is the disease of brain. Question number 49. Most patriotic nation of Asia is Pakistan. Question number 50. Winter capital of Balochistan is Gwadar. The credit of this test goes to Shafik Soomro. I will share other mock test that was prepared by Shafik Soomro in upcoming videos. I hope you have gained idea regarding the test municipal and town officer. Thank you.